I got paper in the duffel, you got problems, I can tell. Hope my coffin come with stuff with dope and double C Chanel. I got 7-figure sales, you got tied up, then you fail. I probably spend your month on rent on lunch, your yearly spent on grill. Your whole crew gon' die, my whole crew gon' fly. I wish you well, wish that you would try. Wanna get supply, just ring the bell, ring the bell, ring the bell. So much paper on me, bitch, that you would think I'll check it, man. Get it high, smoke it till I leave. Push up on me, poke that 9, watch me bowl it V. I think I'm late, I'm checking that time. Private driver, parking out front, wanting that paper to stand in line. Double off in outside, backseat riding, I got paper in this duffel, you got problems, I can tell. Hope my coffin come with stuff with dope and double C Chanel. I got 7-figure sales, you got tied up, then you fail. I probably spent your month on rent on lunch, your yearly spent on grill.
I cannot stand a motherfucker running up on me. I get it quickly, we setting so my family. Doom shot killers standing on the silly, set your heart. Bullets like a bird, they flying through your fucking church. I wonder why you're crying, steady hating, steady lying. You said you tough, but you's a pussy, now your ass is frying. I'm loaded up, I'm steady aiming at you fucking bitches. I swear I love these switches, pull the trigger, rest in pieces. I walk the walk, I talk the talk, and now we'll prove it to ya. I'm 289, I'm 186, the Freddy, make you busy. I done a lot of shit to make it rap, I got like this. Dug my way up from the dirt and now the Freddy's pissed. You run around, you hit the ground and now you're bleeding, baby. I cannot give no extra credit cause I'm fucking shady. I stay up in the shadows, demons creeping, body shallow. I always want the battle, hear the sound of death rattle.
I got paper in this duffel, you got problems, I can tell. Hope my coffin come with stuff with dope and double C Chanel. I got 7-figure sales, you got tied up, then you fail. I probably spent your month on rent on lunch, your yearly spent on grill.